Hey everyone, today I will show you how to borrow money from Klarna. First of all, open the Klarna app or go to their website. Once logged in, look for the option labeled financing or pay later. Klarna offers flexible payment options for shopping and financing. Klarna doesn't offer traditional loans but allows you to split purchases into four interest-free payments or opt for their pay later plan, which gives you 30 days to pay. To borrow money for a purchase, simply shop online at a Klarna partner store. At checkout, select Klarna as your payment method and choose the financing option that works the best for you, whether it's splitting payments or postponing them. Once you select your plan, Klarna will manage your payment schedule. You will get reminders for each payment, making it easy to stay on track. And that's it. Thanks for watching.